In the world of graphic design, it's really quite common to collaborate with more than one person on a project. Let's say you're creating a brand new concept for a logo and you need feedback from several other people. You want their input. Well, traditional methods would probably mean saving your work and attaching it to an email, sending it out to those people. They might add their feedback right to the drawing itself or in an email message. You'd have to wait to get that back. It's a little bit disorganized. And now you've got a brand new tool available to you through CorelDRAW X4. It's an online collaboration tool called CorelDRAW X4 Concept Share. In the next few lessons, we're going to be exploring Concept Share. First, we'll start by creating your account and getting an overview of the things you can do with Concept Share. Then we'll look at publishing your work to a workspace in Concept Share, and then we'll look at the collaboration tools you have at your fingertips once you're inside. So you can see I've opened up a file here. It's called concepts1.cdr. You'll find this in the Lesson 16 folder of your exercise files if you've got them, and you'll notice that this is a two-pager. I've done this on purpose. On page 1, we've got a logo. On page 2, we have another version of this logo. And now we want to post this up to a Concept Share workspace. This will allow us to invite people to the workspace where they can add their comments. We can chat in real time. They can mark up the drawing without affecting the original. Really cool stuff. But first things first, we need to have an account. You need to sign up for Concept Share. And you can sign up for a free account just to try it out. And then there are a series of different levels of account that give you more and more options. So let's explore that now. I've got my work open here. That's irrelevant at this time. I need to access Concept Share. And there's a couple different ways to do that. If I go up to the window menu and down to Dockers, you'll notice that the very last option on this side menu is Concept Share. I can access it from there. Now, if I've already got my account, typically I'll probably go up to the File menu and come down to Publish Page to Concept Share. Notice it's Publish Page. We publish one page at a time to Concept Share. Either way, if I don't have an account, whether I go through the Docker or click on Publish Page to Concept Share, I will display the Concept Share Docker over here on the right-hand side. So if I do have my account, I come down below where it says User Login, enter my email or username and password, and click the Submit button. But if you're brand new to this, you need to sign up now. And you can also get some help using the Launch Tour button here. Once you are signed up, you've got some buttons at the top for your Docker. This will return you to your home page. You can refresh this Docker as workspaces get added and as comments and feedback come in. You'll want to be able to refresh this on a regular basis. And we've also got the ability to launch the current page that you see here in the default browser in Concept Share. Over here on the right-hand side, you've got an icon that's going to tell you what's going on. If we're publishing a page, this will change from idle to transferring. We'll see that happen a little bit later on. But right now we need to set up our account. So we're going to go down to the Sign Up Now button. And like I said, if you want to try this out, you've got an option to try it out for free. The very first column over here shows you that the free tryout gives you 2 active workspaces. Notice that if you're willing to pay some money, as low as $19 a month, you can get all the way up to 25 workspaces. And we got 50, 100, and 250 for the enterprise option. Account managers, you can have 1 for both the free and solo accounts, and then you start climbing up as you move through the options here, 5, 10, and 25 account managers. Look at the file storage, 5 megabytes for the free tryout. And then you get up to 500 megabytes, a gig, 2 gigs, and 5 gigs. All of these will have custom branding capabilities. In other words, you can brand your own site using your own logo and so on. For SSL, security licensing, you've got check marks here from solo to enterprise. Not very secure here for the free trial, but then again, you're just trying it out to see if it's going to be useful for you in your environment. Users per workspace, unlimited. Concepts per workspace with the free tryout is 3. Then you jump into unlimited concepts per workspace. So all you have to do is click the Sign Up button. And when you click the Sign Up button, you'll be prompted for some information, starting with your email. Then you'll have to enter some of your own personal information, which at that point, once you're done, you'll receive an email notification to the email account you enter here, and you'll click the link to actually activate your account. So I've already done this. I'm not going to go through those steps. If you'd like to try it out, go ahead, follow the steps along. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about actually publishing your work to ConceptShare once you've set up your account.